guys, it's me, Flasher Plays, with another video. This is part 6. This is the last one. So I'm not going to make any more of these. So comment what you want me to do next. Oh, and by the way, I'm not doing shoutouts anymore because some names I can't really pronounce. So the last shoutout I'm doing is shout out to Outdoor Detectives. And yeah. That's the last one. So I'm not doing shoutouts anymore because, like, some of these profile names are too hard to pronounce. So yeah. So comment what you want me to do next. I'm gonna do another Minecraft video. Oh, and thank you for the 8 subscribers. I can't believe I got that. That is amazing. I can't believe. Thank you for all those subscribers. And those of you who subscribed and didn't get a shout out because I said only one, I'm sorry, but I didn't get to because I do one each video. But I ended the shout outs because some of your profile names are so hard to pronounce. So yeah. Oh, the end.